Greetings YouTube! So for everybody that's celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas. And for the rest of us, I hope we have an excellent weekend. Now, I wanted to do this video for a very long time, as this happened 2 weeks ago, and I just couldn't bring myself to do it. It was less about not wanting to show you guys how I crashed my drone again. It was more about me trying to figure out how do I get the footage from my phone into the computer, because I lost my drone and thus the quality of the videos is not the best. And well, here it goes. So just as a recap, I cut these videos down. Instead of showing you the entire footage because of the quality of it, I'm going to show you only the interesting parts. And I hope you guys enjoy my failure. Now let's get the show on the road. Okay, so I wanted to pause this for a second and say that the only time that I actually noticed that I almost crashed my drone in the first 20 seconds of flight was after I drowned the drone and I went through the footage again. If I would have noticed that I almost crashed it here, I would have acted a lot differently. I promise you that. Let's go on. So again, I overstepped my boundaries. Now I need to go into there and try to fish out the drone. This is going to be
I give up. I'm leaving it in the water. Let it rest in its cold, icy little grave. Oh, I'm freezing. This is very, very, very uncomfortable. I guess we'll have to buy a new one later on this year. We'll see you on next one.
now after that fiasco with the drone, I'll drive home. Sad and lonely and droneless, and very, very, very cold and wet. As you can see, my pants are soaking wet. My shoes are over there. I don't want to put them on, so I'm going to be driving barefoot. Yeah, brand new week. Great way to start. Have a great day.